Hey, I'm Eric from Waiting 9 Productions. I'm here with my partner from Waiting 9 Productions, Mike. And we have been discussing some theory today. And we've been also discussing two new modules that I got this weekend. The Buchla and tiptop audio dual oscillator model 258T. And the Buchla and tiptop audio quad function generator 2080 quad function generator 281T. We've also been discussing the different functions of Pamela's workout, and we are going to be running two scales in the key of C major on the Rene II sequencer. On the red X page, I have a normal major scale going, which I'm going to play now with a kick drum. And on the green channel, I have, on the offbeats, I have an aeolian scale, which is the sixth tension of a C major scale. And that is starting on A. And together they sound like this. I have them, I have everything running into the zlob modular 6 VCA. And CV inputs 1 and 2 are just being run with the function generators 1 and 2, and I just have the decay up to about 4. Alright, so on the dual oscillator, I have the both oscillators running out into channels 1 and 2. I also have channels 1 and 2 running to the make noise mimeophon. I have two of them. The make noise mimeophon is, the bottom one is being clocked by Pamela's workout, aeolian busy circuits, and the clock out of the mimeophon is going to the second one. I have them on the orange function, rate set at 12 o'clock, and I'll turn up the mix and play that really quick, and they'll sound like this. Put some reverb. So with this, let me start this for a second and stop it. Oh. All right, that way the Rene starts at 0 with everything. So one way that I would start to generate this patch is, since I have the red page on the major and the green page on the minor, I'm basically gonna try to start morphing in between the two, and I'm gonna start turning off on the access page. I'm gonna keep the gate page with all of the gates on, so it's gonna continuously fire the gates to the trigger input on the quad function generator. I'm actually going to start turning off some of the access page functions on the red. Right now I'll just turn off the second 16th on every downbeat, and that would sound like this. If I went to the green page and deactivated everything except for that column, it might sound like this. the fourth column back on. Whoops. That's the... Turn that column off on the red. Now, give it a little mix on the mimeophon for both of them. One of my favorite things about modular synthesis is the randomization. Pamela's workout is awesome for that. I have eighth note gates going on channels 1 and 2. I'm going to go to the second page. I have the gate wave going. And I'm going to go to my random skip, and I'm going to random skip at 25%. I'm going to go to channel 2. Go to my random skip. And also do 25%. And then I'm going to turn on some of the functions that I turned off, maybe switch a couple. Turn this on, 2nd, 16th of the second row and the 4th. And then I'm going to go to the green page, turn those off, and turn the adjacent ones on. Top column, first 3, green, do the last 2. Okay, now I've got that going, and this is just with the decay on the quad function generator. It's a quad function generator. So, we're going to turn the cycle on 3 and 4. The attack and decay on the quad function generator all have CV inputs. I'm going to send the third function generator out to the attack on the top one. A little less decay. I'm going to take the fourth one, I'm going to throw it to the decay on the second guy. I have 16th notes going on the VPMEDE, the Euclidean circles. I have that going into the Frap Tools 333. Now, if you take these 16ths, actually I'm going to, screw it. I have Pam's workout running the Euclidean circles. I'm going to go to channel 4. I'm going to do random skip. 15. And then this guy I'm plug it into 8, it doesn't really matter what channel you plug into. There's 8 gates on Pam's workout. They're all exactly the same. I'm going to go to so I have 16th note triplets going into the second input on the fractals 3. I have randomized 16th notes going in on the first channel. Back to the random skip on channel 4. Give it more of a random skip on 8. There's too many of those 16ths going in. Out of the mutable instruments blinds, I just ran the kick drum into its own channel. And then the other channels will cascade down to the fourth output. Basimilus interitas alter by Noise Engineering. Messing with the decay on the function generator. Decay on the second function generator with that higher line. Messing with the CV input on it. Off on the hi-hat. I'm going to run that whole thing through the qubit data bender. I'm going to run a clock to the data bender. Just kind of what I'm hearing in my head. I'm going to take 16th notes to the make noise wogglebug. I'm going to take that random output. I'm going to go into the expert sleeper's disting. I always have that thing set up to a quantizer, I just kind of do. I'm going to bring the attenuation all the way down. I'm going to set the scale because this is the root note of this whole thing. I'm going to set that to the hold on, it's going to be one, it's a triad, 1 major 3 5. Where the hell is it? Okay, this has got a pitch input on the Basimilus, and then a trigger input. So I'm going to take the trigger of the first generator out, and I'm going to put that into the trigger on the Basimilus, see what it sounds like. I'm going to go to the second generator because it doesn't hit as much, and see what happens with that. Cool. That is a patch at 90 BPM generated by Pamelas workout going into the make noise Rene II using the Buchla and tiptop audio dual oscillator model 281T, the quad function generator 281T, 258T. Sorry. One more time with that. Yeah. All right. So that's a patch being done with Pamelas workout, generating the make noise Rene II on the red and green channel, going into the Buchla tiptop audio dual oscillator model 258T. All the CV functions are being generated by the Buchla and tiptop audio quad function generator 281T. The Basimilus interitas alter noise engineering is going through the data bender qubit. So are the hi-hats set at a simple 16th note pattern. And the clock on the data bender is set to quarter notes. And I'm going to let this go for a little while because I didn't record any of that into Studio One, which is the DAW that I record the modular stuff into before transporting it